Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm here just to do a quick, it's not really a reel because I already did a reel of this on my Instagram page, but just to show a new item that I purchased, pre-loved from Fashionphile. If you're interested, let's get started. So here is the dust bag. Before I open this, I do want to say this handbag is an older item from a few years back, about 2017. Gucci does still make this item, but they do not make it in this material. They do make it in leather in an array of colors, and I thought having this bag in this material would be perfect in my collection. So let's open it. So here she is. The Gucci Marmont. It was listed in new condition from LV and with the gold hardware. And I purchased this because I wanted something that I can dress up and also dress down. I do own the Gucci Dionysus. I will show that in a few seconds. I've had that for a few years now. I purchased it for my birthday. Also another purchase from Fashionphile, but I wanted a black classic wallet on chain that I can dress up and dress down. I do not own that many black bags. All my bags are like that are black are like fun. So this is a bum bag. This is another bag from Free People, but I do not own a classic designer black bag. So this would be like my first one, even though it's a wallet on chain. We can still consider this to be a handbag. So let's open it. Accordion style. It's brand new. You know, the Fashionphile sticker tags are on it. The gold hardware. Take this out. You can either wear it as a crossbody bag. Let me fix this strap. Here we go. You guys will wear it as a crossbody bag. You can also double it and wear it as a shoulder bag. You can make it a longer shoulder bag, or you can actually remove the entire chain and just wear it as a clutch. I really like this style of handbag. As I said, I do own the Gucci Dionysus. I had that for a while, and I just wanted another item. I thought about getting the leather one, but I think this material just step it up a notch a little bit and make it look more classic, timeless, where you can definitely wear this to a wedding. You can wear this on a date, and I think it will be able to be used for multiple occasions. Now, my Gucci Dionysus, on the other hand, this is also, I feel this is a classic. I had this for a few years. Purchased this also from Fashionphile. It's the same concept. You can wear a crossbody, shoulder, or remove the strap and wear it as a clutch. And this has the black detailing on the side. Both of these items I feel are beautiful handbags. Obviously, dress down, dress up, dress down, possibly dress out, depending on where you're going. So I'm happy to have them both. I truly have enjoyed this handbag over the years, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this one as well. So I just want to come in and do a quick video on this beauty right here. This retailed for $1,400. This is the tag that was inside the bag, and Fashionphile also did give me the dust bag to go along with it, and I paid $1,000 for this. So here she is. She's new. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Peace out.